This project, a medical inventory and billing system developed in Visual Studio and a SQL Server. So once you buy this project, you will get these files, this database script file, then the source code, then installation guide, project report, and synopsis file. So first you have to configure your database. I'm using Microsoft SQL Server 2014 edition. You can use any version, whichever you have. First you have to start SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. First you have to connect your SQL Server. Then just select the database and right click and create a new database. Give the database name eMediStore and click OK. So it will create one new database. There will be no table there, only blank database. Okay. So I will create all the database by using script file. Right click and select new query. Go to your folder. You will have the database script file. Just copy this part and click File, Open File. Paste the path of your script file path. Select the script file. Click Open. So this script is already have all the create and insert statement. You have to just run the script. So what it will do, it will create all the tables with sample records. Now you refresh it, you will get all the tables with the data. Okay. Once it is done, you have to just configure your project. So this will be source code folder. Copy this path and go your Visual Studio. I am using Visual Studio 2017 edition. So you can use any version whichever you have, 19 or anything. And click File, Open Project. There is the solution file or project file. So you can just select project file. Click Open. So once open the project, you have to just go your class file, class1.vb file. Open it. There you have to change data source name and database name. Database name I already give eMediStore. There is no change of required. If it is different, you have to change here. Now you have to put your data source name. Again you go SQL Server, select your database and right click here, select properties. You will get the name of the database. So if you copy this path, whatever written in your system, just copy that and just remove here and paste. It may be localhost, it may be SQL Express, it may be your laptop name, whatever. So copy and paste here and save this file, and you can get all the design. Just double click any of the form, like login form. Suppose you want to change any text or any color, so just want to change the color, you will get the color here, or you want to text your name, you can put there. Whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, you can change the logo also. And if you want to see the code, just double click any of the button, you will get all the code. Okay, so all coding and everything is done, so there is no need, only you have to change in class file in connection stream. Okay, then save all the files, whatever changes you made, and you run the project. So it will first display your login screen, so you have to type your user ID and password. It is written in the installation guide. Let's check there. This is all the menus are there, and this is the main screen. Whoever log in, what is the current date and time login, everything will display. Now first, this is the product. This is the medicine actually. Suppose I want to add a new medicine. I will click on add new. Product name I have to type. Say product name is Pendi 50. Product code P PATD. Purchase price is 30, sales price is 40, use to 10, manufacturer name. Who is the supplier? Say eMediStore is the supplier. So whenever you type any, suppose you type yes, so all supplier name start will come. Okay, so if you type A, then you suppose AM, then it will automatically filter actually. Okay, and here you can click and you can use left arrow key, or you can double click on the mouse to display. Once it is done, you can save. So new record is added. So again, if you type P and pan, it will automatically filter. We have added this pan D80. So double click, it will display whatever you added. Okay. So now next step is we have to add purchase. So we want to purchase the product. So click first add new bill. And bill number you have to give. So I want to give bill number is say 501. What is the purchases today's date and what is due date? So I give the amount due date is 1 week. So 17. And supply name eMediStore. We add new product. So if we know the product code, we have already added the product code PATD. So automatically will come what is the price, purchase price, what is the sales price. So you have to just give the batch number. So batch number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then expiry date. So whatever the expiry dates of the medicine, say October 23. Quantity free quantity 0. Purchase quantity say 100 purchase. So what will be the total amount? Then you have to save. This is added. Suppose I want to add a new product. Add new product. And say suppose I don't know the medicine name. Say I want Prosin 500. Batch number again you have to give 1010. Expiry date say 11/22. Quantity 0 free. And purchase. I want to purchase 50 strip. Then save. The two product is added in the particular bill. Okay. Then you have to save the bill. Bill successfully. So next time if I enter again the bill number 501, it will automatically come, double click, it will display all the product added in this bill. You can edit this bill amount also. The quantity I want to edit, I can edit, or I can delete that product. So I want to add another product in this bill, that also can be done. Okay. Now you can delete also, like close. Now again there is a sales. So I want to sales the product. So I have to sales to customer. Okay. Say customer bill number. I will give the bill number first. First you have to click on add new and give the bill number. So bill number is 21. Date is today. I want to add new product. So I have given create one product. So I will use that product in the PATD. I have stock is 100. So I want to give 1110 and tab and add new product. So save. So it will display stock going in negative because I have only 100. Okay, so I can give more less than 100 or 100. So I will give 80. So it will calculate based on rate whatever I given. Now I have to save the bill. Sorry, first you have to add this product. Save. And save bill. So bill number you have to enter the customer name. Say or save bill. So next time if you want to view the bill, click 21, it will display. Okay, now there is a report is there, so I want to view today's sales register. Sorry. Today we have given bill number 21. What is the amount? What is the? Then there is this is the previous one. Now so there is a purchase register also there. So what is the product purchase from this particular set will display. Now this is stock register, what is the stock available and what is the price and everything. Then there is a supplier payment. So I want to give the bill number. So bill number is 501. Total bill amount is 4080. Okay, and bill date everything is there. So I want to make the payment. So I have to click on add new. Then I can make the part payment also. Suppose I want payment 2000 today. So tomorrow I payment cash, paid by cash. So if you again go to 501, it will display one amount is added against this bill. So you can add multiple entry against the one particular bill amount. Now there is a staff master is there. So I want to add a new staff. So I'll click on add new. Say staff name is Oniket. Employee ID 701. Address Mumbai. Mumbai city Mumbai. Date of join. So we'll join 10th. Salary salary 10,000. Comment is optional. So new staff is added. There is a staff payment is there. If you want to make any payment to the staff, you can click on add new. Voucher number you have to type the voucher number. Employee name, you can select the employee number. Payment for traveling or advance payment. So payment month name 21. Date, today's date, amount. So 2000 I paid. Payment made by cash. So voucher number is added. There is a calculator. You can start the calculator. So it will start automatically on this calculator if you want to calculate anything. So this is the project. So once you buy this project, you will get all the files, and you can use these files or you can add, edit, whatever you want. Okay, so once you buy it, you will get all these files.